Imagine welding protection that's as versatile as you are. Imagine a way for you to control how you see and how you feel. That's why the Speedglas heavy-duty welding helmet G501 is more than a new helmet, featuring our latest precision optics for more realistic colors in all states. And now, with the 3M Speedglas welding filter G501VC, you have variable color in the dark state. Choose between natural, cool or warm tones. You determine which color has the best viewing contrast and most comfort for your eyes. The G501VC filter also has dark shades of up to 14. With our new smartphone app, you can keep track of all your favorite filter settings, dark shades, switching sensitivities and delays. The optional task light runs off your 3M Adflo battery pack for hours of powerful lighting. Designed for heavy-duty, high-amperage welding and grinding, the flip-up G501 helmet connects to the 3M Adflo powered air respirator, and with our optional large head cover and fabric shroud, you extend head and neck coverage. With the NIOSH approved system, you can achieve an assigned protection factor of 1000 by adding these two accessories. Take control of your airflow by directing it to either your face, your visor, or somewhere in between. You can also adjust the amount of air coming from the top outlet versus the two side outlets, or somewhere in between. Configure the helmet to your changing applications and your preferences. For extended non-welding work or helmet maintenance, just unscrew the two dials and completely remove the welding visor. The bottom front of the helmet is interchangeable. You can use the rigid neck protector or the extended fabric head and neck protectors in either short or in larger size fabric or in other material like leather. There's even a high visibility head cover. New adjustment options let you more precisely control the distance and angle from your eyes to the clear visor and ADF. The new headband has improved self-adjusting comfort paddles along your forehead and an optional extra-large back pad for enhanced comfort. Take your craft to a new level and experience what we call comfortable safety. 3M Speedglas Welding Safety. You know welding, we know welders.